Circle data on the 7. Yeah, is it audible? 4 minutes shows. Yes. Is it audible to everyone? Because I want to start the section before starting. Yes. Can we start? Good evening, everyone. I am very thankful to to this global and Dr. Pratima and Raki Madam and those who are helping to attend me in this program, all the members. So I'm very thankful for you today section. Today I want to explain you about the acupuncture. Basically about myself is I'm a Veena Rani, working from nearly decade in this profession in Chennai. Basically I'm from Hyderabad, settled in Chennai, and I'm running two clinics in Chennai and one is in Hyderabad. I can talk Telugu, English, Hindi, and Tamil. And that we are giving the treatments in thyroid, sugar, BP, autism, and sugar, BP, thyroid. These are all the names. Two names are not required to the body, but we are giving the treatment for the root cause, though not for the symptoms. For that later on I'll explain. But before my explanation starts, please keep your mind empty and please to be positive thoughts and try to listen me with positive thoughts and everything. If I'm making any mistakes or anything later on, you please understand my situation and later on we can rectify that. And any doubt section, I'll give you time. Afterwards, later on, I'll clarify the doubts. First thing, we are with the fear and pain, we are not ready to understand the other person what it is, says. We are rushing immediately to the hospitals and we are taking alternative medicines or we are spoiling our health. Please understand about first understanding about the acupuncture. Please try to understand about yourself, what your body says, what your mind says, and inner thought says. Because our body is meant with the nature. What is the nature? Nature is the one who is invented nature, who has created the nature, how long the nature is there. Nobody cannot explain that. Nature, whatever we are giving to the nature, nature will give us back. And we should adopt the nature. Nature is won't adopt us. Whatever we are taking care to the nature, definitely it will help us in positive way. It will create us the good things and it will give us the whatever the good things what we require personally. But we are not ready to think about that. We are the one who is rushing and with the fear. Due to that, nature also spoiling and the new species, whatever species is there in the past is becoming extinct. And by using the opposition to the nature, we are the one, we are spoiling the totally health also. By using the example, nowadays kids are using more gadgets and more you seeing more mobiles and TV and everything. They are spoiling the health, and we are the one using more vehicles and everything. We are the one who creating the more pollution using the ACs or anything. But due to the pollution also, due to the radiation, the ozone layer is getting disturbed and it is creating the ultraviolet rays. Due to that also natural calamities is occurring. Who is suffering? Ultimately, who is suffering? We are the one. But please try to individually, please try to understand about yourself, not somebody who is coming outside us, including me, who is coming and explaining you. Don't believe on anyone. Nowadays, people are there to sit and cheating only. Any profession, any this one are there. Please try to understand from other person position what it is, what they are going to tell is correct or not. You think and take your own decision. That is my request to everyone who is following this one today section. Basically, this acupuncture is the traditional method of the treatment our ancestors used to follow, but we are not ready to accept that ancestors, because ancestors whatever ancient time people are, they used to according to whatever they required only they used to have their food, and they are mentally physically they are free. How much they can work, they used to work, they are not having thoughts about their future, how much is there, only they used to work for that reason. They are happy and they are healthy. They used to enjoy their life, they are used to enjoy their life. But and when they, by following that also, when they are sick, they are not healthy, that time they used to go and do home remedies. Afterwards also it's not means they used to go, they used to do only nadi vaidhyam, they used to follow, means they never think the fraction of second I used to get rectified, I used to get cure, and never they never thought, they never thought within fraction of second we are the one being educated, being we want to do growing fast thing. That is the reason we are going day by day doing wrong things, yes or no? First thing, please follow this, and acupuncture is the ancient therapy, what and how our ancestors are following. Again, we are the one who is developing this, I mean Tamil Nadu people are developing this. Basically I'm not a Tamilian, then also these therapy only few states are developing this one, because our body internally, what if it is perfect, outer vision will be perfect. How the internally, how it will perfect means when we are listening properly. That's what ancient people used to follow. According to hungry we should eat our food, according to thirst we should have the water, and stress and strain, how much we should take, that one we should take, and no need of medicines to our body. This is the 4G, because we know 4G in the mobiles only we'll think, but our body also will follow the 4G perfection. If it is there, we will be healthy. No need to follow anyone. We if it is reserved, bed is reserved, we have to go there means definitely with perfect health, definitely we'll go there with happily. That is the reason when ancient people, when they are dying also, they used to call their family members, they used to enjoy their food, they used to enjoy their movement, and afterwards nicely they used to leave their soul. The same thing only I want to explain. What is the acupuncture? This is the ancient therapy, our traditional therapy is an effective therapy to our body, which we cannot treat or which cannot be cured. It is not to the, it's not there to the body, because the disease name we are the one who is keeping, but body don't know any diseases names. Diseases names means, for example, BP is there, thyroid is there, sugar is there, because I am treating the AIDS patients, cancer patients, prostate cancer we are treating, liver cancer we are treating, breast cancer I am treating. These cancer, the names we are keeping, and AIDS patients they'll come and cry like anything. They'll, but the pain when we are explaining to the patient why you are getting the pain, that fear they will go. We cannot, one thing when we are meeting with the accident, we are telling, we are the one we are telling, we cannot bear the pain, we are not able to bear the pain we are telling, but unknowingly we are, one side we are bearing the pain only, we are crying. the hand was fractured like this, we'll cry, I cannot bear the pain, I want to die, I want to die. But some extent think we are following, we are bearing the pain, and we are crying at that moment. So please try to understand when we are getting the pain to us means some curing process is doing, our body is doing the some curing process. That's what. For example, our body is meant with the single cells only. Cells is made up. Single cell makes multiple cells. Multiple cells makes the one body. That body, one cells, multiple cells makes the nervous system. Some cells makes blood veins. Some cells makes the organs. Some cells makes the tissues and everything. But ultimate the single cell. One sperm is making the forming the cell. The cell single cell is making the multiple cells. Multiple cells are making the tissues. Multiple tissues are making the organs. So the body formation we are having. But wherever, which place the morbid are accumulating, for which reason the morbid is accumulating. Morbid is nothing but the wastage. Acupuncture is sending it out. That's what we are doing. Remaining each individually, what we should do, how to follow our body, that much treatment wise, we are the one who is taking care. What treatment we are giving means we are seeing the pulse like this with the, this is the needle. This is the needle, single needle or touch. Both are same in the treatment. This single needle just top of the skin. Top of the skin we are giving within 30 to 30 seconds too. That's all. But how the patients are getting rectified, or by the touch how they are getting rectified means in the top of the skin, this is the top of the skin, our energy channels are pass. These energy channels are interlinked to our body. That is the sensory or sensory sense part we will tell. Somebody is touching, the feather touch also, if we are liking, we'll feel the happy. When we are not liking, we won't feel happy or we'll get angry. When people are just side to us only, when they are sitting, we'll feel the irritation if we are not liking. The same thing, the sensory organs are interlinked with our inner organs. So wherever, whichever place is blocked, by seeing the pulse, we can make out. So to release that, acupuncture is working. Means we are controlling the life force of the body. How the life force is controlled by some acupuncturist means one life force when we are sitting in one place. I'm in Hyderabad, Chennai, and you people are in Hyderabad, some people are in Bombay, some people are in some other places. But now we are seeing the section. How we are seeing means the force of the satellites or anything, the science. Like that only our body science is there. How the life force will work means our nature with the nature. The universe is working with the five elements, Panchabhutas. We all knows the Panchabhutas, I believe. Okay, all knows. Please reply me, all knows Panchabhutas, because this is the main section we should attend. We should understand the Panchabhutas. What is the Panchabhutas means? Fire, earth, air, water and sky. These Panchabhutas, when is functioning on the total surroundings, only our life force is there inside the nature. The same thing, our body is also having the Panchabhutas is working inside our body. The inside Panchabhutas are linked with our organs. Example, I'll give an example also. Fire. Fire is nothing but heart. Heart is connected with the fire. Like that only five Panchabhutas are linked with our this one. And earth is linked with our stomach. air is linked with our lungs, and water is linked with our kidneys, and wood wood is nothing but sky is linked with our liver. These these we will see inside our body, and we will giving the treatment which is required to the patients, which place for which cause totally it is blocked inside the organs we are clearing to come out. But why the patient are creating the morbid inside their body, how they are creating, for what reason they are creating that, their innocency, their lack of knowledge inside of the body. That's what I want to tell. Today, if the treatment is going some extent means without patient support we cannot do anything. That is the to every doctor it is this is not possible without the patient support they cannot do anything. But we are not ready, the patient is not ready to understand about himself. How it is possible means, first thing, when how the hungry, when we are following the some principles of the body, the digestive system of inside our body will perfect. How means when we are chew, when we are taking the food from the mouth only, we are all knows this one. We are getting energy, we are feeling. But not only with the mouth, we are getting so many places, all the open cells only top of the skin of our body. So every part of the cell is the open door only. So from the life force also, from nature also giving the energy to our body also. For example, ancient saints also they are not eating food and they are staying so many years with the meditations. How it is possible? The same thing only, not only food, but I'm not telling to, I'm not opposing to don't have food or anything. When we are having food, when to take, what to take, how much we should take. These mistake only leadings to the wastage to our body. When to take means when we are feeling hungry only we should take. How much we should take means how much our hungry, our sustain, our body wants only we should take. That's what. What to take? What to take means whatever our eyes are liking, we should take. And when we are our taste buds, how much we can chew, we should take. But what to take nowadays? The kids all likes only junk foods. We when we are parents are telling, because I'm seeing so many cases when psychic disorders, when we are treating the patient, they are not ready to stop the food what we are suggesting, because the food nowadays is aerated drinks and junk foods. So common in the society. When kids, when we are telling, they are not ready to stop, including my son. But how we should control them? In which form we should control them means you take whenever you want, you take according to taste, but you wait until it burns, and you follow the hungry next hungry how you are coming. You please wait and have, because one food, homemade foods will give some energy. Energy is required to our body inner organs functioning. When we are chew the food, we are getting energy, we are all knows. Whatever food we are taking, some organs will create the energy, some organs will functioning and it will send to blood. It's formed like a blood, and it will filter and it will send the wastage in the form of feces, or it form of the urine from our body. But the energy from the junk foods or any food whichever we are taking from outside foods, how much energy we our body will get. So what energy, how much the good energy and bad energy. Good energy when we are taking homemade home perfect food means we will get the good energy. But when we are taking outside food, definitely the energy levels will be low only. For example, those who are taking the non-veg, fresh meat is there, as well as that dry also will be there. So when the fresh, when we are eating, how much the freshness will be there. When the dry energy, when we are eating dry one, so the fruits, as same thing, fruits, fresh from farm when we are eating the different, and when we are keeping in the fridge when we are eating, that is different, and dry fruits when we are eating different. So energy levels will change according to the situation, that will leads to the body to the different takes to different way. When we are eating the food, when we are not able to burn that properly before, because by we are making ourselves like a machines. Three times we are watching the seeing the watch and we are having the food. So three watch is not meant with our stomach. So three times when food is not digested and when we are eating means the morbids, the wastage is going and stagnating in the stomach and is becoming the layer. It is not coming, it is not digested and we are not getting proper motion, or we are getting the gastric irritation and burps, acidity and everything. We are giving such names to the body. But who is the one who is created the acidity or ulcers to the body? Who is suppressing means we are the one. We are by eating the excess of food, we are suppressing the stomach like this. It is forming the layer. Whatever the layer down it is there, it is not digesting properly. It is going and stagnating in top of the inside the stomach. It is becoming the wastage, and then also body want to send it out in any form of the gas or anything. Then also we are not ready to send it out. We want to take eno or digene or anything. Again we are suppressing that, and the stagnating making the today stagnant, tomorrow and few months stagnant is making the one disease. So we are giving the names to that. That is a cancer, that is the BP, that is the thyroid, anything. What, who is creating that? We are not shopping and bringing that. We are the one who is creating inside our body itself. So according to energy only, whatever we are liking, we should eat our food, and it's digested or not, we should see, and again next diet we should follow, and we should eat that food. So don't suppress your feelings or anything, any temptation, occasional food, there is no wrong in taking, but we should wait until our when our body is asking, so we won't get disease. This is the food, any food, that one. Again, water. Water nowadays, people are telling to have 2 liters of water, 3 liters of water. Some sections I'm seeing, that's the reason I'm telling you this one. One thing I want to tell you people, uh, because nowadays it's very hot. When we are sitting outside of our house, when we are sitting in the under sun, how much thirst we'll feel. And when we are sitting at inside our house, how much thirst we'll feel. Again, when we are sitting inside the AC room, how much thirst we'll feel, and medium temperature, how we'll feel. These four you only experience yourself. There are various, our thirst various is there, variation will be there. According to that, according to thirst, we should take. So our body is asking that. No, somebody is telling to have 2 liters, somebody is telling to have 3 liters or 4 liters, and empty stomach we should drink, or after food half an hour we should drink, or while taking food we should not drink. These are all the assumptions people are having. But who are the outsider? How they can know when you are our body is feeling the thirst? Our when we are required the thirst only we should drink according to our requirement by sip by sip. But when we are listening to some other person, when we are drinking the water, definitely it will give the pressure to that particular organ. Definitely we all know which organ, that is the kidneys. Kidneys will filter the water. That is the reason when we are observing the diseases, last 10-15 years, kidney dialysis, kidney failure cases is happening by listening this. Please listen what your body says. Whenever your requirement is there, please take your water. So fulfill your hungry and thirst according to your requirement, not some other person how they are telling. And when we are taking excess of water inside, that is going and stagnating in the, because the wastage I'm explaining you, but wastage may be in any form, It may be inside our body. That may be stagnant form, that is solid form, that may be liquid form, that is the air form. But who is taking which mistake, whatever mistake we are doing, when it is going inside our body, definitely it is leading to some other name, that is a cyst, fibroids, that's what. And again, when you are taking this, going and suppressing on the uterus nowadays, the kids mature periods problems are they're getting, and no conceiving. They're coming for IVF, IF, they're after doing every test also they're coming for the deliveries. So first please try to listen what your body is asking. Please follow that. This is the one. And stress and strain. How much at present moment our body is asking. We should fulfill that. We should not sleep afternoon. We should not sleep late. Not like that. Because why means we should sleep by 10 o'clock to early morning 3. This is the correct time to our body for functioning our organs. How it is means, according to our Indian climate, I'm talking about the nature, about our present, our Indian climate. According the people who are staying in US also, according to their climate, they should follow. Uh, because the stress sleep wise, the sleep wise, we should sleep by 10 to 3 o'clock. 3 because our organs, our stomach will function by 10 to 3 according to our Indian time. Some one on the organ will give function very fast according to the time, because they have tested, ancient people have tested and they have done the researches for that. 10 to 3 is the good time for the stomach, and lungs is having different time, like that kidneys having different time, liver is having different time to function. But we are very much concerned with our stomach. That's the reason I'm taking the concept of the stomach only. 10 to 3 when we are not sleeping by 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock and eating the food by 9 o'clock, like that, definitely our top of the stomach we are giving the pressure. How it will function normally when it's functioning, when we are giving the pressure on the top of the stomach, definitely it will affect or not. Example, I'll give an example. When we are taking one mixie, how much we should pour in that mixie jar means this much only we should fill the jar. Okay, when we are filling full jar, it will come out. The same thing, our stomach is also, it's like a bag. It's made up of the cells. It is a multiple cells is making the bag. This is a size. So when it is enlarging and we are pouring on that, so definitely it will stagnate on that. It will come out or not, because we are not giving the rest to that. So who is the one who is giving the trouble to the body? Definitely when we are not sleeping and when we are eating at 9 o'clock, so stomach functioning will come down. The machine, when it is not 1, 2, 3, when it is not functioning properly, we should poke the down button. Like that only, when is the pressure is increasing inside the stomach, it will create the gastric irritation. It will create the burps. It will create the stomach burning sensation, because I don't want give the rest to my stomach. I want to clear first what food you have made me inside. I want to clear that. Then also we are not ready. Again, I am taking the any, because I have not taken from morning till evening. So I should eat something. So I'm giving the liquid diet. That pressure, it will leads to the first vomiting sensation. It will create. Then also we want to suppress, and I mean we are taking, it leads to the diarrhea. So one passage, when we are one door we are closing, also body will send some other passage to out, because it want to send it out. It won't don't want to keep inside anything to itself. So please follow what it says. So we won't, the wastage won't, morbids won't stagnate inside the stomach. Whatever morbid is stagnated inside the stomach, whichever place from top to bottom, whichever place whichever region it is getting stagnated, it is becoming block and it is stagnating, it is leading to the disease. So acupuncture, whichever blocks are there, it has to be clearing only we are doing. But when we are following and listening the our body, definitely we won't get any problems. And we are the one who is giving the names of the sugar, BP, thyroid, anything. Look, sugar is nowadays is becoming, because the section is very uh, half of the half an hour only. Pratima madam has suggested me, because this section is not enough, I feel. But then also, if anybody is having doubt, please ask me. Definitely, I'll clear your doubts. And I think some extent I'm explain you people. Uh, if any negative thoughts about this treatment, any have explanation, please reply me. I try to change myself. But please, my suggestion is please don't believe anyone. Believe your body. Then we won't get any stagnant wastage. It won't lead to any diseases. Then only when we are getting any troubles only we should go to other doctors. When we are not troubling, when we are not getting, why we should rush to doctors? And these special childs, how much the troubles the parents are suffering, because how much medicines will suppress the body, it will lead to the morbids only, but it won't cure. It will lead to the major complications to the body, but it is not curing. Temporarily it is giving the relief, but not permanent. In acupuncture we are not giving any medicines. Whatever is suppressed inside your body only we are clearing it out. Okay, today's section time up. Thank you very much for again Global and Dr. Pratima and those who are giving me the opportunity. And thank you was seeing all the members who have seen. Any comments you can mention me. Thank you. Thank you very much. And live video. అంతేనా? And ఎక్కడికన్నా